Hey guys, wanna make your videos sound super professional? Let me show you how to easily add a voiceover to your video in Canva. No fancy software needed. Just follow these quick steps and you will be adding your voice to your project in minutes. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to add a voiceover to video using canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page, as you can see. Alright, so right now I will show you how you can create your account first and then the definition of Canva, and right now let's get it started. So to sign up, all I have to do is just click over sign up or log in as all other websites, and you link your information such as your email address and your password. Then you confirm your password, then you confirm your Gmail by go to your Gmail, and then you confirm your email. Right, so here we have it. Right now you'll find this page, as you can see, and if you already have an account, you have just to click over log in and you link your email and your password, then you get started with this Canva. Right, so here we have the profile on the top right, and I will just click over home because I already have an account. That's why we don't have to log in and sign up in our browser here. So you can also click over apply now if you want to get started. So we'll find this page, as you can see. So what is Canva first? If it's your first time to join Canva and you don't know what is Canva, I will show you what is Canva, because I already mentioned what is Canva with you, but there is some people that join our video just for this moment, and this is his first time. So let's know what is Canva first. Canva is a free, easy to use online tool that lets you create beautiful designs like social media posts, presentations, videos, and more. You don't need any design skills, just drag and drop elements to make your projects look professional, right? So right now all I have to do is just search if you want. Firstly, I have just to write whatever you want to design. So for example, we have here voice over. I will in video, so I will just click over here and I will dive into video. Then we'll select the video that I think and which video also. And also we have here the option that you want. You can just see more if you want to upload something, add media, or you can create custom size solely. And we have your website, video, social media, presentation, whiteboard, and document. I will here click over create design in the top left, and I will select video here. Also we have here other options, and we have here some examples, as you can see. I will select this one. Then you will find other page, which is this one. It's the page of designing template. All right, so as you can see, we have here various things that you have to know about the design of Canva. We have here such as element, text to print, uploads, draw, and we have here project, application, audio, and QR code, and we have here the thing that could help you to design your template very well. So right now all I have to do is just go to the design right now, and I will select here the video that I want. For example, if it's birthday, if I want video on social media or something like that, if I want here a voiceover, so I will just write here video, and I will select here birthday because I want to celebrate a birthday with my friends. I will select, for example, this one, or let's select another one. I think it's better, so let's select in, for example, the first one. I think it's good. I will select this one. So right now all I have to do is just modify all these things. We have here 2 seconds, and here we have just to delete this one and you add yours. I will just go to the text first. I will add a heading right now. I will just put it here, and I will here customize the size. Put here 70. Then I will just choose firstly here as color, and then I will put it as italic, and I will delete here this one. Then I will here select more and more. Right, so here we have it right now. I will just add right now happy birthday, like that. Then if I want to add something else, so for example about here, I will put it like that, and here we have it. And I will add also here, I will just come back here, and I will just click over enter, and I will write to my brother. Then here we have it, how it looks right now. And I will just here modify other things, but important when it's at a voiceover. I will go to the uploads. I will click over audio here, this option, and I will click over record yourself. And then I will select here audio only, no camera right now, and I will just click select here the microphone that I want. Then I will start record myself. Here we have 3, 2, 1, and I will get started. Happy birthday to my brother. I wish you all good in your life and have a nice day. And here we have it right now. I will just click over done and I will click over save and exit right now, and it will be appear here as you can see. Alright, so right now once you have here your voiceover, you put it here as you can see, and I will just
all good in your life
customize the
and
size, and here we have how it looks right now. You can also put your profile, your photo, and right now here we have how it
get
looks
started.
with it is
Happy
happy
birthday to my
birthday
brother. I
from
wish you
with
all good in your
our
life
voiceover.
and
So it's
have
very
a nice
special. You
day.
can also hear share it with your friends or your brother that have this birthday. Also you can share it with you because I share it like that with this design. And here we have it right now, and also I will show you other things. I will delete firstly this one. I will delete it. Then I will just go right now to the application. I will select here the option of music. So let's just get it started right now. I will select audio here. Then you'll find here a various things. If you want music, happy Christmas, and we have here also instrument, pop, Halloween, and also we have here happy birthday. We'll select this one, and we have here audio with happy birthday. We'll select one of this, and here we have it right now. And once you click over here, you will find happy birthday to you, and here we have it right now. You have just to click over share, and you start sharing that by clicking over here, and you click over see all, and you select here present. Then you select here present full screen and you click over present right now, and here we have how it looks as you can see. Alright, so right now all I have to do is just share this template with your friends or your brother that have this happy birthday. You can also make it public by clicking over here and you click public view link and you get started with Canva. This is how we can do that. And also we have other options that could help you if you want to draw, if you want to also projects, if you want to here make QR code. And also we have your text, brand, elements, design, and here we have it right now. So Canva is a super user-friendly design tool that helps you create stunning visuals and videos with ease. Whether you are adding voiceovers or customizing templates, all without needing any design experience. So this is how it works with Canva. You can just get started by just selecting the design that you want and also the option or the video that you want. So here we have it right now. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.